Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Dekp Ibrahim and my matrix number is D0119101186. My supervisor who assists me in this project is TS Dr. Hazri Izwan bin Jafar. My project title is Energy Harvesting based on Piezoelectric Vibration. I would like to explain a little about my project background. For the first, there are many various types of renewable energy that have been figured out by the researchers such as solar energy, wind turbine, thermocouple and others. For my project, mechanical force or vibration is alternative energy source that based on human movement, which means it converts from mechanical energy into the electrical energy. I am using piezoelectric transducer which have piezoelectric effect that produce electrical energy. Currently, we are designing a portable charger that can harvest the energy based on the vibration of human movement. There are three main objectives for our project. First is to design an energy harvesting device based on human vibration motion. Secondly, our mission is to implement a piezoelectric sensor for generating current and voltage source. Thirdly, we are going to test the functionality and effectiveness of the prototype system as a real engineering problem. The project scope is this method had limitation on the generating amount of the output and not really compatible to charge up huge power electrical device. In addition, the maximum average generated voltage that produced is 0.15 volts and approximately generating 0.03 nanoampere only. They will take up many times to charge up a battery pack. For our flowchart, first we will do literature review from other research journals. Then I am doing my own research from trusted source. Next, we analyzing the researchers that have been made. Then I am prepare the concept of the project. Next, I develop simple circuit first as experimental setup, then do the testing session. If there are something wrong, I will troubleshoot the problem and proceed to the next step, which is recording the data and do the discussion based on the result. After getting the result, I do the conclusion and recommendation. The component used in our project is such as cardboard, piezoelectric transducer, USB cable, keychain ring, battery pack, diode, wire, rubber or bouncy ball, and rubber band. As we can see at the experimental setup, this is some of the process of making energy harvester device. And as we can see, the right left image is the final product device. As we can see at the project outcome, the left image shows when the piezoelectric is pressed by the rubber ball or bouncy ball, the maximum voltage produced is 0.15 volts. For the right image, the highest generating possible voltage of the transducer is 1.28 volt when pressed by finger. For result and analysis, when the amount of the piezoelectric is 1, the voltage and the current produced is 0.03 volt and 0.03 nanoampere. For 2 piezoelectric, the voltage is 0.1 volt and the current is 0.02 nanoampere. For 3, the voltage is 0.19 volt and the current is 0.04 nanoampere. And for 4 piezo, the voltage is 0.23 volt and the current produced is 0.03 nanoampere. For the project implementation, with the ring attached with the box, we can clip it to the pocket and it will cause the ball in the box moving when we are walking. The mini box generator also can be a useful accessory which can be as a keychain while generating electricity. Then we will move to the next slide, which is a demonstration video. Let's go! contribution of my project to the community: first, it generating a new clean electricity. Then, it reduces the cost to pay the electricity bills. Thirdly, this method can encourage people to be more active, more movement, more electricity produced. Lastly, this project can be source income for the society. For safety precaution, we will ensure that the project component is in good condition and comply the specification to prevent unpredictable situation. Make sure that during the installation process, there is no power source connected. We will check properly whether the connection is still intact or not when the power source is connected. Ensure that the surrounding is suitable places for soldering process and do the process carefully. The advantage of my project is it is a low-cost project using of recycled material. It is also comfortable to use and can be used by various age. Easy to operate and can be built by yourself. It also harmless and less risk to the user. The energy source is sustainable and continuously. As the conclusion, this experimental setup is a successful effort and ways to avoid wasting energy from human actions in their daily routine to produce power for electronic device. These nano generators are not capable of producing enough current to charge the electronic device. I think that's all from me. Thank you.